I'd like to introduce the Quadra-Z Pliers specifically for use with the Apex Revolution spring aligner. The labial and lingual bows on this unique spring device for tooth movement and retention are made with TMA or beta titanium wires. Therefore, they're somewhat brittle, and using a typical or traditional 3-prong plier or some type of Z-bend plier may cause fracture. Therefore, this 4-prong device, the Quadra-Z, is designed to only create enough pressure to produce the offset that we're looking for in first order bends. This type of offset bend can be produced with the Quadra-Z without the risk of breakage. In fact, this was full compression of this flat spring beta titanium TMA wire in a labial bow for a Revolution spring. And we'll demonstrate that right now. We have produced a first order inset in the labial bow of a Revolution spring using the Quadra-Z instrument. If we would like to place another inset or Z-bend in the opposite direction, do not move the plier. You need to simply invert the retainer or the labial bow. It's important that the retainer is rotated and the pliers are held in the same position when attempting these types of movements. We've inverted the wire, and now with full compression, we're going to produce the offset. The Quadra-Z can also be used like a 3-prong plier for adjusting or tightening the retainer. It is important to note that in order to tighten the other side of the labial bow, the retainer must be inverted or flipped over in order to use the Quadra-Z as a 3-prong adjustment.